Welcome to MBBS Council. Kerala State Counselling Authority released private college tuition fees for NEET 2021 counselling. In this video, I am going to talk about the tuition fees reduction in 11 private medical colleges in Kerala and its impact on the closing rank. Install MBBS Council Android App. It contains state closing rank and state category closing rank for all medical colleges. You can predict your college based on your state category rank with best accuracy. KEAM released notification regarding first round counselling schedule. Choice filling has started. Candidates can fill college choices till 29th Jan 2022. Allotment result will be published on 2nd February. During choice filling, you need to order the college choices based on various factors such as tuition fees, college education quality, and clinical experience. As tuition fees is reduced in 11 private medical colleges, the preference order of last year cannot be used for this year counselling. If you are on premium subscription with MBBS Council, contact your counsellor through WhatsApp number 76958 78688 to get the college ranking order for Kerala private colleges. For most of the private medical colleges in Kerala, tuition fees is reduced to rupees 7 lakhs per year. For 4 private medical colleges, tuition fees is still not fixed. Last year, tuition fees for Kerala private medical colleges ranged between 7.65 lakhs per year to 20.7 lakhs per year. Because of this, Kerala state closing rank for state merit category went down till 8,955 during second round counselling. During 2019, the tuition fees for all private medical colleges was close to 6 lakhs per annum. During that year, Kerala state closing rank for state merit category was 5,804 in second round. We saw an increase of 3,000 state rank because of the increase in fees during 2020. For 2021, the fees is going down to 7 lakhs per year for all Kerala private colleges. So, more candidates with higher state rank would be able to afford, which would result in reduction of state closing rank compared to last year. For medical colleges like Jubilee Mission, Amala, Malankara and Pushpagiri, tuition fees remain constant during 2019, 20 and 21. So their preference ranking do not change. For other colleges, we recommend you to use 2019 preference ranking instead of 2020 preference ranking mentioned in the MBBS Council app. If you are on premium subscription, request your counsellor to get the college ranking for 2019 counselling. In my previous video, I talked about the Kerala state closing rank and category closing rank for all reservation categories of government medical colleges. We are expecting the score to reduce by 30 marks for most of the reservation categories. For example, Ilava category, if category rank is less than 300, then candidate have chance to get in government medical colleges. We expect the NEET closing score for Ilava category this year to be around 581. Similarly, if you are on premium subscription and want to know the category closing rank for your reservation category based on 2019 Kerala state allotment data, contact your counsellor through WhatsApp. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counselling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.